Watch out, Junior! Junior, there's a problem! It's a young daughter, and my truck has a ball sack hanging off the back of it. Hi.
Hello.
How are you?
Good, thanks.
Do you love it?
Yes, we're admiring. I hope that's okay.
Oh, you can admire. You can take pictures. You can do whatever you want.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's unfortunately mine.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh.
My God. Get in the passenger. It's a nut sack, yeah. So as you guys know, this is what they did to my truck. My truck still looks like this, contrary to what you guys may have thought, that I was going to reverse all of this. Shut up! Reverse all of this right away. I didn't. I still have a plexiglass sunroof. So today is finally the day, and it is my birthday, so it's kind of lit for it to be today.
There you go, Merry Christmas.
Thank you. That we're gonna go down to Erickson Auto Trim and drop the truck off to get the actual sunroof installed. But I still will be squatted in pink and blue and all that nonsense. Thanks a lot.
Oh.
You need a new pair of nuts or what? Because I got one for you. All right, I'm sorry. I felt bad. I didn't realize. Okay, I thought it was gonna be a tap. It wasn't a tap.
No, you like straight up punched my dick. Oh.
Holy shit, that's a stack of tires right there, boys.
He may not have wheels or suspension, but he's got tires, which you can also get from customoffsets.com.
Discount tires, we finance.
This is what we're getting replaced. There's no SPF to this, as Dustin has said, but we have it. He says it leaks water, but look at how sealed this is. You can see the liquid nails right here. But yeah, so we're replacing the plexiglass with an actual sunroof for him. Sean had this done in CO2 way back when. I guess they replaced the whole headliner too, which is good because like this one's got like divots to it. Like it's got a whole chunk to it. So that's gonna all come out, and he's gonna go, I think he wants to go with like a dark gray or black to match his whole rest of his interior. But I don't know, I like this. It's like you get a tan while you're driving. It's pretty nice.
Hi, how are you?
Good, how are you? Right here, the Chevy.
Yeah, yeah.
Reminds me of a Barbie's Playhouse.
He painted it himself.
Have you seen what they did to this thing?
No.
Well, let me show you what they did to it first. I'll show you what you're in for.
Anything down south.
Color too. A lot. Oh, you guys tried putting a sunroof in it?
We did put a sunroof in it successfully.
It just doesn't work, and it's not waterproof. But if you look up here, it's just like, I don't know. Good luck. This steel gray is like almost money in the bank, no? So Junior, would you do the graphite or would you do black?
I would go black. Okay, because if he eventually wants to do replacement leather seats in here and do a different color, I would go black and just match to that. Right. That's up to you.
All right, set it black. Fuller's apparently here. Oh wait, Fuller's apparently here with his magnificent.
Easy for you to say.
magnificent surprise, and I'm very curious to know what it is.
Okay. He's coming in. He texted me and said, ready, and then coming in hot in all caps.
I'm back.
Did you actually finally buy a Raptor?
Yep.
Like for real?
Yep.
No way.
Yep. This is like the cheapest Raptor in the whole country right now. And I saw it and I was like, yup, buying that.
Where was it?
It was only an hour away.
How much was it?
So essentially, if you don't do the math right, I got all the way here by an initial $3,000 investment and then trading and selling all those boats and the jet skis and all that to get this. So basically I paid $3 grand for this Raptor.
What?
This is the one that has like the 6.2 or whatever, right?
Well,
Is it not a 6.2?
no.
What does it have?
5.4.
What?
No! No way.
I didn't know these came with a 5.4.
Hence why
Is
it's
it a
like the
real
cheapest
Raptor?
one. Yes, it's a real Raptor. 2010 that you could get a 5.4, and then they stopped doing that after 1 year. But you still get all the Raptor suspension.
Yeah.
You just don't get all the Raptor power. But honestly, like these,
It's
like
got posse.
I love the first gen Raptors.
Yeah.
Like this was, I didn't have a Lamborghini poster. When the Raptor came out, I was like, I think I was like 15, 16, and I was like, someday I'm gonna own one of those. I never thought I'd be able to like own one free and clear. I can't wait to just beat the shit out of this.
Do a burnout, Lawson. Do a burnout. Now you do one.
Brad is disappointed.
Brad, pop the hood real quick.
No, don't.
Why? Just do it. Why?
Wow.
What is that?
Wait a minute, where's the 6.2?
Yeah.
It's gone. It's a 5.4.
Oh my god. Oh, you're an idiot.
Oh yeah.
Those are rigids?
We take it in the field?
I mean, yeah.
That sounds good.
So you make your own fork?
Oh, figure eight?
Yeah, figure eight.
We found an inch. Isn't this like the thing that like the cowboys like put in their teeth?
Well, some bitch. Put that in your mouth?
You put dirtier things in your mouth. Let me talk to you about it.
That's true.
That's the beauty of it, though. It's the country's cheapest Raptor,
Dude,
and I don't
just
care about it at all.
Look at all the
Yeah.
insects coming out of this.
Yeah, one just flew in my fucking eye.
Oh, Emily's calling. Hello?
Don't do that.
What's up?
Did you end up getting it?
Yep. Are you angry?
Not excited about it.
Well, it's really nice. You'll love it.
It comes with a free bush.
We may have taken it
Who that is?
through a ditch / field / trees
Parker,
already.
You had it for 30 minutes.
I've had it for over an hour now.
Son, I have to close my office door.
She has to close her office door because she's about to yell at me.
You literally had it for 30
Em, can you talk louder for the camera? This is great content.
I want to take the ridge line through the field.
All right, well, we're gonna go see if we can jump it, okay?
I thought you had to go to work today.
Yeah, bye. I am working right now.
Oh my god.
All right, bye. Love you.
Listen, I'll take the Escalade in there and break it right
It's not nearly as fun. Rear wheel drive's the play.
Oh my god. Get in the passenger seat.
If you roll it, I accept it.
Are you gonna pay for it?
No, you are. You rolled it. If I roll it, I'll pay for it.
I can't afford to roll it.
I can. She looks the same, still squatted, still pink. Chalk's excited.
There's my baby.
So we're here. But anyway, so we changed the color of the headliner. We went black, so it should be two-toned up there.
Autoclose when you turn the key off from the open position.
I think it looks good. I think it looks good in the two-tone too.
Yeah, I love it. I think it turned out very well.
I don't think I'm touching that because it matches this bezel. Like it just makes sense.
Yeah.
Hell yeah, I want to see the top. All right. And it's tinted already.
Oh yes. Yeah.
It looks like 15%.
If you want.
I don't have his number. Do you have Jordan's number in your phone? I don't have my phone on me.
I don't have his number, I don't think.
Can you buy this? How much is this?
Brad wants the
$18.95. Thank you.
As well,
I love that.
So like all the way down the hood as well. These are all just embossed.
Well, how does one even see that?
You don't. They just did. I mean, it was kind of cool to touch.
And what does it say up there?
It says Daddy's money.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I love that.
Yep. Thanks, Dad.
I think that is so
Dad
cool.
paid for your Sunroof.
That is what I
Sean.
want. So I would like ours wrapped in something, and then I like that embossed. I was looking at that this morning, trying to figure out how you guys did that.
He may have some extra pink and teal material. Yeah, it's pretty embarrassing.
No, it's not. I love it.
I
think
mean,
it's really cool. But I was
you're
like,
also a woman.
It reminds me of my Barbie dolls
Oh,
when I was
nice.
little. Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, that's what I drive nowadays.
Kind of like that.
Yeah, so does my daughter.
Isn't that what you were...
My truck used to be super cool. It was all black with red accents or whatever, and then they did all this nonsense.
I love the rims. I
Yep.
mean, I love it.
Yeah.
Sounds like we have maybe a potential...
What do you got hanging off the back? A nutsack? Is that a nutsack?
It's a nut sack, yeah.
I'll be damned.
Yeah, yeah. And there's a little baby nut sack in there hanging from the rear view.
God.
Yeah.
And now you need a leather interior.
Yeah, we're gonna
A
do
big
that.
one.
Yeah, cat skins, I tried, but they left me unread.
Oh.
Thanks,
we can do it
Caskins.
for ya.
Huh? Yeah, they just left me unread, which is fine, but it just hurts a lot. It's a young daughter, and my truck has a ball sack hanging off the back of it. I don't want to go out there, I don't think. Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
Good, thanks.
Do you love it?
Yes, we're admiring. I hope that's okay.
Oh, you can admire, you can take pictures, you can do whatever you want.
Thanks.
Yeah, it's unfortunately mine.
It is?
Yeah,
Oh.
I lost a bet. So this is what came of it.
Holy cow.
Yep.
It's amazing.
It used to be black.
Really?
Yeah.
It is amazing.
Yep. It's something.
Oh my goodness. This is my granddaughter and she's in love with it.
All right.
That's cool.
That makes one of us.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on it. It'll change.
Yeah, drive by. It'll change.
Okay.
You guys have a good day now. I don't think they saw the balls. Yet.
So they make one more lap around and they're like, oh, never mind, we're leaving.
Dude, that is the group of people that like my truck nowadays. Moms, grandmas, and 9-year-olds. It's sad. The lady at the place was like, I had a Barbie Jeep that looked the same. Yeah, that's what I want to hear. That's sick.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna wash my hands. I don't know why. I don't know why I do that.